Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me iPhone 17, and now in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when Apple Intelligence doesn't work. And it doesn't matter, it's not working because of European Union or just because it doesn't work for some different reasons. I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Okay, the main problem is in region. During setup, if you use European region during setup, it will just prohibit you install Apple Intelligence services on your device. So the main thing you can try to do that. You can open General. You can find here language and region. Change here your region to United States, reboot your device, try to download Apple Intelligence services by just opening this Apple Intelligence menu. Wait a while. This Apple Intelligence menu here, enable services and just wait a while, and maybe it will work. Just wait for about 10-20 minutes. But if it's not, so we should factory reset our device. How to do that? Open General, scroll down, click Transfer, Reset iPhone, click Erase all content and settings, click Continue and erase iPhone. If you have important data, just wait until all data will be uploaded to iCloud, so it's a backup creating, so create a backup. Then confirm your Apple ID password. Okay, then click Turn Off, wait a while. Okay, here we go. So now let's select language, and the most important part in all this process is just to scroll very down and find here United States of America. Yeah, it's here. And now let's continue. Set it up. I will skip this process, guys. Okay, after setting up the password, you can transfer data from all devices if you want, but here you should log in into your Apple ID. I'll log into mine. Okay, and now let's continue. Make this your new iPhone. Okay, continue. Apple Pay, I'll set up later. You can set it up right now, but now important part number 2 and the last one. So set up Apple Intelligence. Click Set It Up. Choose notification to summarize if you want. Summarize. You can turn on priority notification, turn off. But now enable light press to adjust zoom, exposure, and more. And then enable visual intelligence. Click Continue. Action button K. Wait a while. Cool. Siri, I'll set up Siri a bit later, okay? Emergency SOS. And it's cool, get started. Now we should do several important things. Things number 1, open settings, then scroll down, find Apple Intelligence and Siri, and make sure Apple Intelligence is enabled. Okay? Then press and hold camera button. Go back, press and hold it again. Okay, cool. Now let's open Notes. Click Continue. Open Notes, yeah, continue. Here we should add a new note and click on this writing tools button. As you can see, it's not working now just because support is in downloading process, but now we should initiate downloading process for all AI components. Okay, for ChatGPT we have initiated. Okay, now open Photos, or you can take a photo Okay, now click edit button, click clean up, and as you can see we have initiated preparing for cleanup AI tool. Now important thing number 3 is to open Apple App Store. You can turn on, turn off, personalizate ads if you want. And now go back to the home screen and it will download it should download application for image generation. And now we just should wait for, as you can see here we have some new features, but we should wait a bit more. We should wait a bit more. Just wait for it. I will pause this video and I'll back after 15, maybe 10 minutes. And okay, after several minutes, as you can see, I got a message that ready for Apple Intelligence right now. So you can click on it, click open, and as you can see, we have here a new extension ChatGPT. So cool. Here we have Siri. I suggest you to enable Siri, but you can do it later. It's not AI feature. Here click use ChatGPT, click next, enable ChatGPT, click download ChatGPT, and click sign in. You can sign in to ChatGPT in your private account, Google account or Apple ID. Wait a while. And cool, now let's check. Here we have our playground application to generate images, and it works even in Europe, in Poland. Angry thinking, choose a person. As you can see, it works. Then let's open Notes again, and in Notes now we can click on this button, describe your change. For example, write essay about I don't know, reverse. Click OK, click use ChatGPT, wait a while, and yeah, it works as you can see. Now we can select the text, so we should accept it. Now we can select the text we want to work with, and for example click rewrite. Yeah, we can use some part of the text. Click edit button to, for example, change the tone to concise, friendly or professional. And as you can see, it works really great. Then let's open Photos. Okay, hello. Let's check Magic Eraser. Click clean up. As you can see, it's still in preparing. Okay, and let's check Visual Intelligence. Press and hold camera button. Here we have Visual Intelligence. Click continue and let's check it out. For example, here I have from DJI sticker. Take a photo, and as you can see, it automatically asks me about translated. You can click translate, enable Apple Translate, and as you can see here I have translate to English. Okay, I can ask. Can turn on Siri, share audio recordings. Okay, wait a while. For example, for example, Elgato, right? Here I have Elgato Stream Deck. You can click ask, continue, and ask ChatGPT about it. For example, what is it? Right? And as you can see, this is Elgato Stream Deck. for programmable control device. Yeah, it's true. We can even use Google, as you can see, search Google for similar images. So just normal Google lenses built into iPhone. And as you can see, it's Google lenses. We can just use it like normal Google lenses. Okay, now we have pre-installed Google services in iPhone. Great, yeah. Okay, and we can even do it in this way. For example, let's show you. I have, for example, here DJI camera. I can select this part. I can click on it, yeah, and results from Google Lens about this camera, right? So okay, guys, as you can see, it works. Maybe cleanup is downloaded. No, it's not downloaded, but it will be downloaded soon, as soon as possible. So that's it. I hope this video helps. If it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you. Bye.